Good morning, guys. Today, inshallah, so all of you focus with me and open page number 877. Firstly, I have here classified triangle according to its sides and according to its angles. When I talk about classified triangle according to its sides here, so I have to look at the three sides now. If I have the three sides of triangle or all sides of the triangle are the same length, so this triangle is called the equilateral triangle. Number two, if I have the two sides or at least two sides are the same length and the third one is different, so it's called isosceles triangle. The last one, if I have the three sides are different, so it's called scaling triangle. So I have here three type of triangle according to its sides. First one is equilateral, the second is isosceles, the third one is the scale. Number two, classify triangle according to its angles. So I have here to look at the angles now. Look here, I have this angle, it's called right because I have here or like the shape of square now. Okay, so this triangle is called right triangle, and right triangle now, you know, on all of you know this measure of is 90 degree. Okay, its measure is 90 degree. So if I have one angle is right in triangle, so all triangle is called right triangle when I talk about or according to its angle. So you have to look at the angles, not sides. Okay, after that, acute triangle. So what do you know about acute angle? Acute angle here is angle, its measure is greater than 0 degree and smaller than 90 degree. So any angle lies between 0 and 90, so it's called acute angle. So how to say for this triangle is acute angle because I have three angles, all of them is acute angle, or all of them are angle. Okay, so all three angles are acute angles. So if I have any triangle from three angles is acute, so this triangle is called acute triangle. Number three, obtuse angle. So if I have one angle is obtuse angle, so this triangle is called obtuse triangle, and its measure is greater than 90 degree and smaller than 180. So directly this angle is called obtuse triangle. Okay, after that you have here special quadrilateral, like the first one, parallelogram. What do you know about parallelogram? Is quadrilateral. So what do you know about quadrilateral? Quadrilateral here is polygon from four sides. So any shape or any polygon from four sides, so directly is called quadrilateral. And here I have a special quadrilaterals like a parallelogram. So parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, or each two opposite sides are parallel and each two opposite sides are equal in length also. Number two, rhombus here is parallelogram with four congruent sides, or three or four sides are the same or equal in length. Rectangle here is parallelogram also. When I say parallelogram, so means equal or like the same properties of parallelogram. And here extra one like four right angles, or four angles are right. Okay. After that, square is parallelogram with four congruent sides and right angles. And last one, trapezoid is quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. And you have here also isosceles trapezoid. So if I said isosceles here, so it means I have two sides in this shape are the same length. At right, okay, is trapezoid whose non-parallel side or congruent. Okay, two sides are congruent, other two sides. Let's start now retention now. Number one here, classify each triangle by the measures of its angle and length of its sides. So firstly here, when I talk about this triangle, I look at the angles here. I have here three angles, okay? Each one is 60. So here, three angles, all of them lies between 0 and 90. So all of them is called the acute angle. So this triangle is called, according to its angle, yeah, that's it. It's called acute triangle. After that, when I look at the three sides here, I think here all of them are the same. Okay, so here is called also equilateral triangle. So this triangle is acute and equilateral. Number two, here I have the first angle like square, so directly there is called right angle. Excellent, guys. And here I have three sides are different, so it's called a scalene triangle. So I have here right is number 3. Now I have 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter, so all of you know that is called, yeah, isosceles triangle. And the measure of angle here, one here is 105, so one here is greater than 90 degrees, so it's called obtuse. No, yeah, it's called obtuse angle. And here no triangle has greater than one obtuse. So any triangle has at least one obtuse, any triangle has at least one right, but we can found triangle has 3 acute. Okay, so this triangle is obtuse and isosceles. Okay, number 4, I have 70 and 75, so all of them is acute angles. Okay, so here I have acute angle. Okay, and the 3 sides are different, so it's called also scalene. So here acute and scalene triangle. Question number 2, identify each quadrilateral and describe each quadrilateral here by in many names. Okay, so I have here first question here like quadrilateral, parallelogram, and this is called rectangle. Question number 2 is rhombus, yeah, and parallelogram, excellent, and quadrilateral. Number 3, directly this shape is called trapezoid, and trapezoid directly is called quadrilateral. Okay. Number 4, this shape in the book here like square, so you can say quadrilateral, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square. But here in this directly in this book like a square. Okay. After that you have here family tree diagram, shows how the special quadrilateral are related to each other. So directly guys, we have here quadrilateral. After that we have quadrilateral, you have trapezoid and parallelogram. After that parallelogram here we can find rectangle, and we can be rhombus, and rectangle and rhombus we can be square. So here when you tell whether each statement is true or false, so have all squares are rectangles, that's true or false guys? All squares are rectangles, yeah, because all squares we can say that rectangle, because squares here has the same properties of rectangle. Okay, and extra also. Every parallelogram is rectangle? No, because here if I have here parallelogram, so what do you know about parallelogram? Parallelogram here is quadrilateral. Okay, each pair equal a length and parallel. Okay, and also rectangle like the same, but here rectangle has extra properties like 4 angles are right. So if I have parallelogram, so I can say for parallelogram is rectangle, but if I have rectangle, so I can say for rectangle is parallelogram. Okay, because parallelogram has extra properties than parallelogram. Question number 3, rhombus are special parallelogram. Rhombus is special, yeah, because rhombus after parallelogram, so it has extra properties than parallelogram. All trapezoid are quadrilaterals, yeah, that's it. So all trapezoid are quadrilateral because all of them quadrilaterals. Okay, any shape from 4 sides or any polygon from 4 sides is called quadrilateral. Okay, after that you have here hydro triangles shown which of the following correctly describe the triangle. So here guys, if I have this shape, you can answer the first one here. So what the meaning of 2 triangles here? I have here both triangle have at least 2 acute angles. Okay, so here both triangle have right angle? No, just one only has right angle, so the first one is wrong. Only one triangle has an acute angle? No. So any triangle has 2 triangles. The first triangle has 2 acute, and the second one has 3 acute. So how to say only one triangle has an acute angle? Letter C, both triangle have at least two obtuse. No, just no obtuse here. So fourth one, both triangle have at least two acute angle, because here the first triangle, the first angle here is acute and the second is acute, and here also you have the three acute angle. So in a triangle, at least two acute angles, so we can choose letter D. After that, question number 4, the neglect charm showed has one pair of barrier sides. What type of quadrilateral in the charm? Okay, so here I have this shape. All of you know this shape is called what? Yeah, excellent. It's called trapezoid here. So the answer is trapezoid. Okay, so goodbye, guys. See you tomorrow, inshallah.